Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. School has me on my neck. Oh. But I'm back and welcome to February, the month of love. I created this look, combination of love from me to you. And if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Also remember to subscribe, press the subscribe button. I don't know where it is, but look for it and press it. Also like and share my videos as well. Thank you. I know my hair is crazy, but it's not just cooperating with me today. So I'm gonna start off with my brows as I usually do. I'm gonna be using a pencil. I'm gonna quickly do that magic. Oh, I don't know, my eyebrows were like, not today sister, not today. They were not even cooperating with me, but whatever, I'm gonna keep rolling. So on to the next. So I'm gonna be using my primer, and I'm using the Smashbox Lid Primer. It's hard to Smashbox Lid Primer, and this is my absolute favorite. If you watch my videos, you know I always use this primer. I should actually try other stuff. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit on my eyelid. So today I'll be using the sleek eyeshadow palette and also my Morphe and the Makeup Forever eyeshadow. So I'm using a Morphe 35O palette, and I'm gonna be using, what shade? I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna be blending this shade into my crease. It's right here. Oh, get that off. Oops. So and from my sleek palette, I'm gonna be using the purple shade on here, this one right here. I'm gonna put it on my outer corner. So this eyeshadow palette is really pigmented, so I don't like to use a whole lot. So I'm just gonna create a cut crease, and I'm gonna be using the Black Opal concealer. On the cut crease, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this red eyeshadow from Makeup Forever in shade, I always forget the number. So I'm gonna put that on my lid, and I'll be using just the eye brush to apply it. Eyeshadow, you can use both wet and dry, so that's why mine looks like this. You can see this hard part because I used it when I used it with a wet brush, so that's why it looks like this, but still applies good. I'm just gonna put a white liner right on the crease there, like what I created, and right back. We have the white liner on. It looks weird, but it gets better. It gets better. By this shade. and on my lid, but more in the inner corner. So I'm gonna put my eyelash on, do my complexion.
Oh yeah, I'll follow you. I'll follow you. I'll follow you. Sissy, you're a killer one. I've been looking at you and all these things that you do. And I like the way you move, 'cause you got me in the mood. Oh yeah. I want you to be mine, and I need you by my side. I take you around the world, and I'll give you what you want. Calling you, baby. Oh yeah, I'm calling you. I'm calling you. I'm calling you, baby. Oh yeah, I'll follow you. I'll follow you. I'll follow you. Sissy, you're a killer. I'll follow you. I'll follow you. I'll follow you. Sissy, you're a killer.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I would see you on my next video.